Dear students, let's take a look at week 7 homework. All right, this is an important week, so let's do our best to get this right. So it says, the Jackson's family has $35 to divide among 7 children. If each child gets the same amount of money, how much will each child receive? So the key here is to understand that you are dividing 35 into 7 equal parts. So that's 35, 7 equal parts. If you're not sure how to do it with your multiplication facts, then just write 35 and then draw 7 separate lines here. All right, and count from 1 to 35 and write all the numbers out, one underneath another, in a column fashion. Therefore, you will, figure this out easily. So let's start that with the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Let me see if I did this. Did I line them up? Okay, good. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. All right. Now you just count how many items or numbers you have in each column. Remember, column means we're going up and down. All right. We're not going left and right. We're going up and down. So this is a column right here. That's another column. That's another column. Column means going up and down. So how many do we have in a column? Let's just count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since we have 5 numbers per column, our answer here is 5. And 35 divides 7 equals 5. That is why B is our answer. All right, and that's how you do number 1. Let's take a look at number 2. Number 2 says, which story problem correctly illustrates 15 times 3? So the key here is to multiply. We're looking for something signifies multiplication. So let's take a look at number 1. Number 1 says Derek has 15 balls, right? He put an equal number of balls into 3 bags. How many balls are in each bag? The key word here is equal number. And we talked about this before. Please try to remember this. When you see equal number in a word problem like this, usually it's telling you to divide. All right, use anything, one of these 3 things will help you. This is obviously a fraction here, so A is going to be incorrect. Let's look at B. Rodney had 15 balls. His friend gave him 3 more. How many balls does he have now? So the key word here is 3 more. More, add. 3 more means you need to add 3. Now, is this a multiplication problem? Obviously not. That's why B is incorrect. Let's take a look at C. It says Carter has 15 packs of balls. There are 3 balls in each pack. How many balls does he have in all? Now, this is strikingly similar to the word problem we have been writing, right? The key here is to recognize that 3 balls in each pack is telling you that you need to multiply by 3. And that is why C is the correct answer. By process of elimination, we know D is also incorrect. We don't even have to look at it, okay? But let's just look at it for today. Jace had 15 balls. He gave 3 of them to his friend. How many balls does he have left? The key word is he gave 3 of them to his friend. When you gave someone 3, you take 3 from your own pile. So that is to subtract. That is why for number 2, C is the correct answer. Let's take a look at number 3 very quickly. Number 3 says there are 36 items in the refrigerator. The items are placed equally in 6 rows. Which number sentence correctly show this? Remember, we are talking about splitting something equally, right? Whenever we're splitting something equally, we are going to divide. So the problem is telling us to do 36 divide by 6. If you can't remember in multiplication facts, then just do what we did for number 1 here and try to write out 36 and count them. But since I know my multiplication facts, I'm just going to count by 6, okay? I have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and 36. That's how I counted by 6. Now, how many times did I count? Let's just count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I counted 6 times. So 36 divided by 6, the answer here is 6. If you were to check this answer, remember multiplication is the opposite of division. You simply have to write an answer or an equation like 6 multiply what number would give you 36. And since our answer here is 6, we want to plug that back into the blank. Now, does 6 times 6 give us 36? Just count by 6 times. And you should have that answer as 36. So now we need to find the correct one, right? The correct answer from A, B, C, and D. We just need to find the number with the answer choice with 6 first. So that's A and C. So we know B and D are incorrect because they don't have 6 in it. Next, we have to find 6 repeating itself 6 times. So let's count. Let's count A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since A only has 6 5 times, we know A is incorrect. And C is the correct answer. And that is why number 3, the answer is C. Thank you so much. Let's take a break.